One thing that people probably don't think about that much is light fixtures
Sure.
and plumbing fixtures. Um, Light fixtures was kind of nice if you have something you can paint them. But a lot of people don't know you can take them off. You can take a cheap light fixture that's maybe even down at the rehab store. You might go down there and pick up something for like $10. And
Right.
let's say it's like a brush finish and you want a black. Well, you can spray paint it, put it
Yep.
on there. No one will even know.
Yep.
And that's a really inexpensive way to just make something look nice, make it, update it, the colors.
Mhm.
If you're going to chrome, you really can't do that because chrome's, different if that's your thing. But yeah, painting the light fixtures or just replacing them,
They're really
you know,
not that horribly
get on Amazon.
expensive. You can get, a $50 light fixture that
Yeah,
will be
yeah,
fine.
yeah. I buy stuff on Amazon all the
Yeah.
time just because you can get a large variety and you can get it right there, pretty short amount of time.
Yep. Yep. All right, light fixtures. Then you mentioned plumbing fixtures as well.
Yep, you can replace plumbing fixtures. Most of the time, people, if you just take a little bit of time, you watch a video, you can kind of figure out how to replace a plumbing fixture. It's just supply lines and then making sure that they're hooked up in the right order. And then if you're going to replace like a drain line, just making sure that after you put it together, you check it again, make sure there's no drips because everybody does that, and run hot water through because hot water will expand and contract the pipes, and that's essentially when you can end up with a drip. So just making sure that there's no drip, or if you worry about it, throw a garbage can or something underneath there to catch a drip just in case until you know that it's not going to be a problem.
And it's a whole lot more daunting than it actually needs to
Mm-hmm.
be. I've done all of them in our house in the last year.
Mm-hmm.
It takes 30 minutes. Once you've done it a couple times,
Mm-hmm.
it doesn't take long
Yeah.
to knock one out.
No.
And again, you can get a pretty good looking one for $50 at
Mm-hmm.
Home Depot. So
Yeah.
yeah.